Hello iPhone users, in this video I will tell you how to unhide or hide the advertisers on WhatsApp that you see. So you go to the update section of your WhatsApp on the left side lower corner, and then you tap on the three dots on top left corner and tap on add preferences. Here you see options of recent ad activity. You tap on it and you see that whatever you have interacted with advertisers, right, the ads will only be visible in status and channels, right, and which we can unhide or hide, right. So to unhide and hide, you have to tap on the other option, which is of advertisers that you have seen, and you see all the advertisers here, and you can hide or unhide them by tapping on it and tapping on the option which I'm going to show you right away. But here are the latest ones that I have seen, the advertisers, and you can get back to them whenever you want, right, because the list is here. If you hide it, it's not like it will just go away from this list. It will be there, the advertisers information, and you can unhide them anytime you want, right. So this is how it is, and you can do it anytime, right, and you get all the details of the advertisers as well here right away. See you in the next video. Ta-da.